Hi, I'm your L'Oréal Professional Educator, and I'm here to talk to you about an innovation that fights up to 2 years of damage in one use. I'm talking about our Absolut Repair Molecular. Within our disruptive tech category, this is the first time we've been able to fight damage on such a deep level inside the hair. Absolut Repair Molecular is for anyone with very damaged hair or hair that lacks elasticity. It'll bring back the initial movement and shine to the hair. Let me show you how to use it the pro way. In our Absolut Repair Molecular line, we're able to recreate the peptide bonds in the hair. With technology that's very biosimilar to the genetic molecular structure of our hair, we're able to insert up to 3% peptide bonds and 5 amino acids that's commonly found in the hair. Your first step is a pre-shampoo treatment that has the most concentration of the active ingredients. It helps with detangling and it helps to strengthen the hair. It's an in-salon service only. Apply this spray to damp hair in sections and brush it through to distribute the product really well. Your second step is a sulfate-free cleansing cream. This shampoo will gently cleanse the hair and prep the hair. For best results, layer your first shampoo on top of your pre-shampoo treatment spray. The star product of the line is your rinse-off serum. Inspired by your facial serums, it'll deeply penetrate the hair to help rebuild the internal structure without adding an artificial coating. Apply it to towel-dried hair, saturate it really well, and use a brush to distribute the product evenly. You can rinse immediately after. Our rinse-off mask is to add cosmeticity, shine, and softness to the hair. Apply to towel-dried hair, leave it on for up to 5 minutes, and rinse it off. We also have our leave-in mask. The leave-in mask is very lightweight. It helps to seal in the tech and protect the hair while giving you heat protection up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. For great results, you can layer your styling on top of the leave-in mask. Remember, this is your in-salon full Absolut Repair Molecular protocol. Your clients can maintain this at home by taking the retail products for their home care. It's safe to use regularly, but it's up to you to recommend to your clients how often they should use it. From the very first application, you'll be amazed by this easy-to-use and lightweight formula. Now it's your turn to repair your hair in a new way.